slippers key holder. Yes, so before I start the video, please kindly subscribe, like, share the video. We're going to need our beads. I'm using sugar beads. We didn't use much of it. You need your keychain. Use only one. Your scissors for cutting, and then your fishing line. I'm using 0.7. So let's start. You pick 4 beads. Put 3 on any of the side of the fishing line, and then you let it slide down, and then you cross the 4th one. Alright, so you have this. Next, I'm going to pick 3 beads. Put 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and I will cross the 3rd bead. So we need 4 of this. If you want it bigger, you can make it 5. So I'll do 2 more. I told you we need 4, so now I have 3, but the 4th one we will turn. So in 10, and I'll pick the 3 beads, put 2 on the left, and then I'll cross the 3rd one. Okay, so we have this. So we need 2 rows of this. So starting the 2nd row, I'll pick 3 beads, put 2 on my left fishing line, and I'll cross the 3rd one. So we have this now. So next, I'll pass my right fishing line through this bead, the next bead here. Okay. Then I'll pick 2 beads, put 1 on the left fishing line, and I'll cross the 2nd one with the right fishing line. So we have this now. So next, I will pass my right fishing line through this bead here. Okay. So here I'll pass my right fishing line through this bead here. Alright. I'll pick 2 beads, put all the 2 on my left fishing line, and then I will tie a knot with the right fishing line as I'm doing. So we have this now. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to put the 2 fishing lines together and pick 3 beads. Wait, so I'm passing both fishing lines through the beads. you slide it down. So now I will separate the fishing line, then I'll put 4 on each fishing line. So 4 here and then 4. Now I'll pass my right fishing line through this bead like this. And then I'll pass the left one also through this bead here. To get this. So now we have our slippers. So what you're going to do is you pass the fishing line through the beads to secure it, and then you can tie it. Okay, so I was supposed to fix the chain here before I put these beads on the fishing line, so it's not too late. What I'm going to do is I'll cut a short fishing line like this and pass it through this bead, put the chain on the left side of the fishing line, and then I'll pass my fishing line through and then tie it. So in order to make the chain very firm, I will go through the beads 2 times. So now you can tie it here. So after tying, you can choose to pass it through few beads before cutting, or you can cut it straight away. Just have to make sure it is firm. Alright, so our small slippers keychain or key holder is ready. Thank you very much for watching and staying with me. Bye bye, till we meet again.